Howdy there, my name is Krista Bolton and this is my construction project. I put all of our required lines on here and turned mine into a park, which is kind of hard to see in this video, but there's different things going on at the park. We got monkey bars and some swings and other things that people could play on. There's some plants and little people that are just at the park. Two of the things that I want to talk about on this project are, first of all, my this straight line at the bottom. I created it by first measuring, starting at the very corner of this bottom corner of my page. I measured 1 inch, so I lined up my ruler at the very bottom, measured up 1 inch, and put a little tick mark right here where that black line is. And then I did the same thing on the other side, so I put a tick mark where this little black line is right there, going straight across, parallel with the bottom of the page. And then when I did that, I used my ruler to line those two up, and I connected them and drew a straight line across the bottom of the page that was parallel with the bottom, with the very edge bottom of the page. So that's how I got my straight line. Then I drew these other lines over here that were parallel with these edges. Again, 1 inch away, or ½ an inch away from the edge of the page. That way I knew that this line down here, that's like the bottom length of the rectangle that it creates, would be 10 inches. Since the page is 11 inches long, I made it 10 inches. So I knew that from this corner of the rectangle all the way to this corner of the rectangle, the line was going to be 10 inches long. Then I put my ruler on there again, starting at one corner to the next, to make sure that the line was indeed 10 inches long, and it is, which is kind of hard to see, but it is 10 inches long. And then I marked right in the middle where 5 inches in from this corner, or 5 inches in from this corner, so I could find the middle of this line, or the median, and I marked the median. Then I decided I wanted to draw this line down the middle to kind of show like a pathway down the middle of the park that cuts in between, which gave us this really nice bisector. And then I started decorating it. All of these solid black lines, which I will put a picture of this like scanned in at the end of my video so you can see it a little bit better. But all of these solid black lines are all of the lines that I measured with my ruler and my compass to make sure that they were straight, and then that they were perpendicular, and they cut like through this rectangle or parallelogram perfectly. And that is my project.